Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from one exchange to another for better features, lower fees, or just to diversify. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Kraken step by step. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Kraken. If you haven't already, verify your identity on both platforms. It's a quick step that ensures smoother transactions. In 2025, you might notice some updated interfaces due to new regulations, so keep an eye out for any prompts about enhanced security features. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the Assets or Portfolio section, find your Bitcoin, and select the Send or Withdraw option. You'll need to enter the receiving address from Kraken. Don't worry, I'll walk you through getting that. Next, switch to Kraken. Go to your Kraken dashboard, navigate to the Deposit section, and select Bitcoin. Kraken will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case-sensitive and specific to your account. Now, back on Coinbase, paste that Kraken address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the amount you're sending. Factor in any network fees, which in 2025 might be lower thanks to improved blockchain tech. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to an hour for the Bitcoin to appear in your Kraken wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on both platforms' transaction histories to track its progress. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network. Bitcoin transactions are on the BTC network, so avoid any mix-ups. Be mindful of fees. Transferring might cost a small amount, but it's often worth it for the benefits Kraken offers, like advanced trading tools. And remember, in 2025, stay updated with the latest crypto news to avoid any surprises from market changes or platform updates. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.